Mangoes are a delicious fruit. They are sweet and juicy, perfect for eating or using in recipes. They are rich in vitamin A and C, potassium and fiber, making them a healthy snack. Mangoes come in many varieties like Chausa, Dasheri, and Sindri. Mangoes are a popular fruit in Pakistani and Indian culture, enjoyed by people of all ages. They are in season from May to August, with peak season in June and July. Mango juice is a refreshing drink. They are not only eaten fresh but also used to make jams, pickles, smoothies, and desserts. Mangoes are a good source of energy. Mangoes are often called the king of fruits for their flavor and nutrition.